Yo, welcome people, it's your boy Tinker out here again. You know, I've got a few of my girls here, beautiful ladies that have just come here to have a good time. Yo, can I ask, what's your name, darling?
Fancy.
Fuzzy, and what's your name, darling?
Kiki.
Yo, I've got Fuzzy and Kiki here having a good time. As you can see, you know, they're dancing and waving with the music that's going on here. So Fuzzy, can you tell me, what's the food like here? What, have you had something to eat today?
Yeah, I'm full.
Yeah?
Great.
What did you have to eat today, Fuzzy?
Salsa, I had sweet potato, and I had some ribs as well.
Yeah, some ribs as well.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. Was that nice then, yeah?
Lovely. Lovely.
Okay, so Fuzzy, do we hope to see more of you and your friends next couple of Sundays?
See me next week, see me the week after, see me the week after that as well.
Thank you very much. You know, it seems like Fuzzy's having a very good time. See, Kiki, can you come over please for a few questions? See, Kiki. How are you doing, Siki? Are you having a great time?
I'm having a good time, guys.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You can see she's dancing her way up here. So see, Kiki, what's the experience like, you know, as a girl, you know, I've wanted to interview a few boys, but as a girl, what's the experience like? Are they good vibes? Are you enjoying it? What's going on?
You have loads of different music. You've got Zim Dancehall, you've got Bashment, you've got hip hop, everything. There are a few girls down there, so
Yeah?
it's pretty amazing.
Okay, so would you invite more of your friends again in the next couple of weeks?
Yeah, of course I would. Yeah.
Alright, thank you very much, Kiki. You go away and dance and have a great time.
Thank you.
Thank you. I'm just gonna get one of the people that are around here, just you know, ask them a few questions. You know what it's like, you know, here, the experience. Are they enjoying it and everything? So come with me as we get one of my boys down here. How's it going? Are you having fun, man?
Having a good time, man. Listen, I'm out here, all black N. That's what it's about, you feel me?
Yeah. Yeah, so Greg, are you having a good time here? You know, it's the first Sunday, Chill Spot Sundays. Can you tell us what's the experience like? What are the vibes saying here today?
Listen, if I wasn't here, what else would I be doing? You get me?
Yeah.
I'll be at home bored. But I get to come here with my people, just chill, good vibes, good drink. And obviously tomorrow we've got work in it, so have a good time in the Chill Spot. That's the spot. Sunday, Mimi's. Come through.
Yeah, that's nice, that's nice. So you're gonna be here every Sunday, Mr. Greg?
Well, obviously, church in the morning, then I'll be here still. Alright, hold tight.
Yo, I got my other guy here, Kimpton, welcome. What you saying, man?
I'm all here, I'm all good, man.
Yeah, what's good? Can you tell us more about the experience here? What's it like, you know, the first Chill Spot Sundays? What's
You know
the vibe
what,
saying?
yeah, this is my first time here, innit? And I'm really having a good time in that. So hopefully, yeah, I see more of you lot come out in it. All Zims, yeah, this is the place to be in it. Make sure you're here every Sunday. Is it every Sunday?
Yeah, every Sunday.
Every Sunday, make sure you're here. This is the place to be here. But make sure you got church first then, obviously. But after church, come here. You don't have to drink, but have a good time, and that's what it's about.
Yo, big up Kimpton, man. I like that still.
So good.
You have fun, enjoy yourself, yeah?
Thanks.
Yeah, you heard it, people. The fans are having fun. Everybody's having good vibes, you know. And like they say, church first, and then we can party after. Bless. Yo, welcome, people. You know, everybody's having a good time. So good vibes here. I'm just gonna talk to some of the people that are just coming through, ask them a few questions. So please follow me. I've just seen a few girls coming down here, so just follow me so I can talk to them. Hello, beautiful ladies. Hi, what's your name, darling? What's your name, darling? Brenda. Hi, how are you today? You're looking pretty lovely. Where are you going today, ladies? Chill Spot Sundays. Where did you hear about Chill Spot Sundays? Instagram? Snapchat? Yeah? Thank you very much. I won't stop much of your time. Take care, yeah? Yeah, there you have it. That's Mimi's Soul Food and Lounge Bar. As you can see, it's a nice place. There's alcohol, there's meat, there's everything, there's good vibes. So, you know, come next time. Make sure you're there every Sunday from 5 p.m. Be here. Thank you.